Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to show you how to create a donut and pie combo chart in Excel. This combo chart will help us visually track progress and balances for various metrics. We will use a simple table with metrics like productivity, timesheets and leaves to create progress circles. So let's dive into it. Here's the data we'll be working with, which is having the actual and the balance figures for each of the metrics. We will create a progress chart that shows the percentage achieved and the remaining balance for each metric. To create this progress circle chart, we need to create the donut chart with some segments like this for visual appeal. Select the data range from A4 to A13 with 10 cells with content as 1. Go to Insert tab, click on Donut Chart. Remove the legend and color the segments with some blue color like this. Link the chart title to the first item in the table, that is productivity. Right click on the chart, select data, click add here. Select the series name as productivity and values as C6 to D6. Okay, now we need to overlap the series. Select the chart. Right click on the second series, click on Change Series Chart Type. Now put the second series on the secondary axis. Select the first segment of the second series and click on Format Data Point and fill this with No Fill. Select the second segment of the second series, format it to fill with white color and with transparency 30%. Okay, and add a shape or a text box for the value in the center of the chart. Now link it with the achievement cell for the series and format the font for better visibility. And it's visually appealing, right? Now let us try with some variation for the second graph. Repeat the same steps for creating the first donut chart with these 10 segments. Select the chart and paste it 3 times so that it would look like this. Remove legend. Right click on any series and click on Format Data Series and then adjust the donut hole size, say 45%. Right click the chart, select data, click on this add, select the series name as timesheet and the values as C7 to D7. Click OK. Now we need to overlap the series for this. Select the chart, right click on the timesheet series, click on Change Series Chart Type, put this series on the secondary axis, repeat the same steps as previous one. Select the first segment of the timesheet series and click on Format Data Point, fill it with No Fill. Select the second segment of the same series, format it to fill with white color and with transparency 30%. Add a shape for the value in the center of the chart, link it with the achievement cell for the series and format the font for visibility. Similarly, you can try this type of chart for the leaves metric. And that's it. You have just learned how to create donut plus pie combo charts in Excel to track progress for multiple metrics. This is a great way to visually display progress in an easy to read format. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.